Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into your Uber driver account step by step. Whether you're a new driver or just need a refresher, follow these simple instructions to get started. Step 1. Open the Uber app or website. Begin by launching the Uber driver app on your mobile device. If you prefer using a computer, navigate to the official Uber driver website. Step 2. Locate the login section. On the app, you will see the sign-in option on the home screen. If you're on the website, look for the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. Input your registered phone number or email address associated with your Uber driver account. Once you've filled in your details, tap or click on the Next button to proceed. Step 4. Input your password. You will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure that you enter it correctly. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a Forgot Password link that you can click to receive instructions on resetting it. Step 5. Verify your login. In some cases, Uber may send a verification code to your email or phone number for added security. Check your messages, enter the code in the designated field, and proceed. Step 6. Access your account. After successful verification, you will be directed to your Uber driver account dashboard. Here, you can manage your rides, track your earnings, and access other essential features. Step 7. Log out when finished. If you're using a public computer or shared device, make sure to log out of your account after you finish to protect your information. Tap on your profile icon and select Log Out. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide on how to log into your Uber driver account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.